The 2023 Honda Accord received important safety updates in its latest redesign, and the improvements have paid dividends in the form of a Top Safety Pick Plus award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The Accord checks all the boxes for the agency's stricter award eligibility criteria in 2023. These include an updated side impact crash test, new headlight requirements, and a new nighttime vehicle-to-pedestrian front crash prevention test. The previous generation 2022 Accord was also named an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, but that was prior to the agency's new side impact test being implemented. The outgoing Accord struggled in the tougher test, earning a marginal rating after allowing some intrusion into the occupant compartment and showing an increased injury risk to the driver's pelvis and head. For a vehicle to be named a top safety pick, it must get an acceptable rating in the side impact crash test. A good rating is required for the TSP Plus designation. According to Honda, the 2023 Accord gets new airbag technology and an enhanced body structure that enables it to hold up against the heavier barrier used in the crash test. The efforts paid off, and the Accord secured a good rating. In addition to the new side impact crash test, IIHS tightened its headlight and front crash prevention system standards for 2023. Acceptable or good headlights across all of a vehicle's trims are now a requirement for either award, and an advanced or superior rating is required in a new nighttime vehicle-to-pedestrian front crash prevention test for the Top Safety Pick Plus designation. The Top Safety Pick Award only requires an advanced or superior rating in a daytime front crash prevention test. All of the Accord's trim levels offer good rated LED reflector headlights, and the sedan scored an advanced rating for the nighttime vehicle-to-pedestrian front crash prevention test. For 2023, the Accord standard Honda sensing system is updated with a wider camera and radar view to better prevent collisions with vehicles, pedestrians and cyclists, according to the automaker. Other updates include a longer range for its blind spot monitor, and a newly available traffic jam assist that allows adaptive cruise control and lane centering to work down to a stop at speeds below 45 miles per hour.